My video is dedicated to help you with getting rid of the malicious pop-ups and scary alerts related to the site Protectutility.info. Protectutility.info is a new deceptive site. It attacks Google Chrome and it may also attack other browsers. Protectutility.info tries to make users scared about the condition of their computers in order to force them into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted applications. So if you see these pop-ups by Protectutility.info, do not trust these deceptive and totally fake alerts. Such pop-ups, by the way, may be the result of some adware to be enabled in your computer. We recommend you to carefully examine your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best place where you can get it is on the official page combocleaner.com. Download it, install it, and then begin researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.